The first stage of high-stakes growth often feels like a collision. You expect a celebration, but you hit a wall of silence or shock criticism. This is the shock of the opposition reaction. It is the moment you realize that your healing makes others uncomfortable with their own wounds. When you share what you have overcome, you are inadvertently shining a light on the things they are still hiding. Their envy isn't a reflection of your failure, it is a reaction to your transparency. In this episode, we learned that being blameless doesn't mean being liked by everyone. It means being so consistent in your truth that even the tension of others cannot change your story. You have to learn to let the shock pass through you without letting it move you off the path God has set. And I'm saying that from experience. As we continue to break these cycles, I want you to put in a comment box, break cycles, exclamation point. Break cycles, exclamation point. And we're going to continue on our next episode. I'll see you there.